If Hot Wheels made a turbocharger, this is what it would look and feel like. First order of business for today, before we get started on what you guys want to see, I need to bring the LS3 350Z to Trackstar. If you guys watch the LS swap videos, whew, this is a workout. You know that we had a very, very like tight time crunch, and our goal was just to get finished and get it running for the event, which we did, but there's a lot of stuff that went wrong at the event. So I need to bring it to Trackstar. We need to tune it, put the AccuSump on, fix the brakes, fix the clutch, fix the hydro, and get it ready for Texas Motor Speedway here in like 2 weeks. Look at this. Every single time, man. He's just sitting here. He's begging. What's up, dude? What's up, buddy? By the way, I'm not gonna make a big deal about it, but this car is officially for sale. Please don't spam me about questions and stuff, but if you're interested, I'm interested. We're back, and we got some more cool cars, as always. What's up, brother? So you just did long tubes on your GT350?
Yeah. It's
Whoa, I gotta hear a start up, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is this the one this is the one we screamed into?
Yeah.
Wow!
I call the person not to sit next to the exhaust and hold it.
Oh, geez, all right, I'll do it.
Oh no.
Oh, it's not too bad. Right now, at least.
No, it's closed.
Oh, yeah, it's closed?
Yeah.
Okay, here it goes.
Do it again.
It literally says like unreadable.
It
Like
it maxed out the meter.
It was like 128 and it just like stopped working.
It goes above the threshold of human hearing.
Nice. All right.
Built this motor, I don't know, what would it be, maybe like 6 years ago or something like that.
What motor?
So it's a B18C.
18. Okay.
And at the time when I built it, it was built to be all motor. And then he bought the car not knowing that it had already had an all motor build on it. So as soon as he told me he put a turbo kit and then I identified which car it was, I was like, oh no, that's like not the right motor setup.
Yeah.
So it's been on 10 pounds for a really long time now. E85, I mean, you could not get away with this on pump gas.
Yeah.
But it's running like 10 less degrees of ignition timing than you generally would be.
Sure.
And it's all cushioned. Tried to make it as, I think it made right at 300 wheel on 10 pounds. So we're gonna turn the boost up even more right now on an already, like, you probably shouldn't do this.
That's all right.
There's a chance that we see some pistons, but well, I hope not. I'm sure he hopes not, but.
He's like, don't say that.
He knows, he was well aware of the risk the last time that like, this
That's
really
cool.
shouldn't be a thing, like.
We're ready to do mine too? Mine's gonna be
sir.
a little more janky of a setup than this, but it'll do the job.
Kind of like that. We're gonna do just like a quick and dirty
Yep.
D turbo.
Blow up the
like,
D,
yep.
and then whatever we do next.
I've had that scenario a couple times where people are like, "Hey, like, let's blow it up." And then, I mean, not to say that we try to blow it up, but we, you know, go past
Push
what
it.
it really should be, and then,
It doesn't.
like, yeah, every time it
Dude,
doesn't.
mine
It
smokes
doesn't.
like a chimney though, so
It
I'm
already-
thinking it's already on its last leg. So we'll see. It could blow up next week. All right, we're gonna head out. I'll
Okay,
see you
guys.
then.
Later.
See ya.
Later.
Okay, so same situation we were having the other day. Car won't start, so here we go. Gonna have to do one of those really whack rolling starts. Okay, come on. There we go. And foot to the floor, and I'm not even gonna lie, that's kind of fun. God, screaming VTEC down the street. Woohoo! Can we just talk about how good this car looks right now? It's so nice. Actually, it's not nice at all. But like, well, dude, just a little over $1,000 worth of wheels, going to a junkyard, a couple eBay, Amazon parts. This car's completely transformed. I love it. That's a first. Just Honda things. Feeling kind of bad about the dirty things we're about to do with this D16. Oh, just one more look. D16, meet Chinese Choo Choo, Hiroshima hair dryer, Shanghai Spinny Boy. I ran out of names, but if you guys have more, let me know. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey man, they said thank you. Musa Racing. All right, so let me explain this. Probably should put this up. Definitely not on a seat, Evan. So let me explain this Choo Choo kit I got. This is all from eBay. Okay. For all this, 600 bucks. And this will be enough. Not a nice quality, good quality kit, but it'll be enough to blow up this D16. Got a bunch of little stuff in here, but I only care about one thing, dude. Oh, look at this cast manifold. It's so sick. Oh no, it even fell out of the box. All of this is no brand stuff. Like someone in China made this. Okay, I think this is the spinny boy. I think this is the good part. EM USA T3 T4 63 AR. That's actually a pretty big guy. That's actually a pretty big AR for this. How much power are you gonna make, dude? Oh, dude, they make rainbow turbochargers. Very cool. Warning, turbocharger installation instructions. I don't care. This is a very exciting moment, boys. Chinese turbocharger. Oh, man. Shanghai Spinny Boy coming right up. Oh my God, look at these studs. These are teeny tiny. Oh shoot, hey, it says AR-50. Did they lie on the package? Yes. Oh, it feels like if Hot Wheels made a turbocharger, this is what it would look and feel like. You know, it's all sealed up. I can't complain. I really can't complain so far. I mean, it's like, it feels like really cheap casting, but honestly, it is what it is. It's not that bad. Kind of impressed. Like, zero shaft play. That's awesome. Very good. I'm pretty excited about this thing, dude. Wait, is there an intercooler in this? Ooh, that was loud. Ooh. Honestly, I'm a little impressed. It's all in styrofoam. Like, that's not the worst core I've ever seen. Kind of hyped. Very fat little piece of crap. This is very heavy. Meet your new home. Watch me drop it on the freaking concrete. Meet your new home. See, the nice thing is, here you go. And she's done. Close the hood, it'll spool right up. Yo, look at this, dude. It's really not, like, I'm genuinely, like, I'm not just gonna say I'm impressed, but we're really gonna put this sucker to the test. You see, I'm sure what they want me to do is do a light, like, 5, 6, 7 PSI on this guy. No, we're gonna see how this guy can handle 30. Got some stuff in there, got the manifold here. So it comes with all turbo lines, AN fittings, drain line. Looks like I got all of my intercooler piping, lines, hose clamps. Oh, this is my favorite part about getting car parts. You know what? Okay, so you know what would be so sick? Imagine like if you bought car parts during Christmas time and the company shipped you a box, but they wrapped the box in Christmas like paper. How dope would that be? I don't even know if I would have any money left if people did that. Okay, so they make this is literally their own wastegate. That's cool. Okay, so all of this is their own. I have a couple springs. They seem to be pretty lightweight springs. And I've got all the hardware here. That's really cool. Go ahead and put that all back in their homes. Okay, so more turbo feed line stuff. So this is cool because like, this is the little stuff that ends up costing you like hundreds and hundreds of dollars more than you intended on spending. Even because of the fuel pressure gauge. What? And fuel lines? I'm not really gonna trust those. I don't know if I'm gonna trust those. Okay. I don't know how these guys are making money off of selling these kits. He's like a little ring box. Every kiss begins with boost. What is this? I can't say I know what this is. I can't say I am going to trust this guy. I don't know if I'm gonna trust this fuel pump. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get one from Beachworks. Should I use it? I don't know. That seems sketch. I don't know what this is either. What is this? That's a thing. That's a manual boost controller. Wow. And then the final box. Is this a blow-off valve? And a blow-off valve. This is, I don't know how they're making money off of this kit. They have literally everything. Everything possible that I'm gonna need, except for injectors.
Got lots of goodies though?
I don't know how this kit was $600. This stuff isn't that cheap to get. Anyways, that's my $600 turbo kit. I do want to say, I know I'm going really fast pace for this car right now, and I love that. I know you guys probably love that, but I really need to finish up the body kit on this so that I can go ahead and get it off the lift, get it out of this, and go ahead and like drop it off for its new color and stuff like that. Next couple videos, maybe just one video, it's gonna be finishing up the body kit for the Skyline, which I know you guys like that anyways. I like that I have multiple things going on right now that a lot of you guys are psyched about no matter what. So, oh, Victoria looks like she has a surprise. Oh, finally.
Do I just push them on?
Yeah, you just push them on. Nice. There you go. You're welcome, Cosmos. I put your logo on there.
We had this in the garage like for 2 days now, and I'd walk in the garage and all I smelled was this car, and like
it's a very distinct, amazing smell. Well, guys, I hope you guys are ready for the Hiroshima hairdryer that's about to go into this. I am very excited about doing this. I will wait a couple days though and keep driving this guy around. I might actually need to get a new battery, or maybe even, it looks like it's under warranty, so I might be able to do that. For some reason, this car is not starting. Here we have it. Here is our $600 mess of turbo kit, probably from China, off of eBay. EM USA, we're really gonna put your product to the test here. I mean, really put your product to the test here. So, at the end of every video, I always give you guys daily advice. I wanna talk about comparison. Comparison is a thief of joy, and I want to remind you guys that, just to not compare yourself. Because what that does, whenever you look at somebody else's success, it diminishes your own. And it's impossible to see the great things that are around you, and it's impossible to be thankful for the things that have happened in your own life when you're constantly looking at somebody else's. I want you guys to try your best to just not compare yourselves to others. That's my challenge for you guys today. Victoria's distracting me in the background. I love you guys, and I will catch you guys next video. Peace. 2 videos, boys. You already know what the drill is, but I got 2 videos for you, and you need to watch them. I know you know where they are. I know you've seen them. I know you want to watch them. So go ahead and do it. Watch those 2 videos right there.